Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily turn off the screen shake in Palmon Survival. To turn off the screen shake in Palmon Survival is super simple. First thing to do is to launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the avatar icon at the top left corner. Now from the Explorer info page, tap Settings from the bottom. Inside Settings, look for Settings and you'll see a Screen Shake option under the Settings menu. To turn off Screen Shake, toggle off the switch right next to Screen Shake and make sure it is turned off. Once you have it turned off, the change usually applies instantly. Now go into a fight or use a skill to confirm and the screen should now stay steady. Only the visual effect will remain, no shaking at all while battling. So there you have it, that is how you can easily turn off the screen shake effect in Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.